Hello, investor. How are you? Today we are going to discuss on Indian gold reserve. India's gold reserves were about 879.6 tons as of March 31st, 2025. Gold reserves in India increased to 880 tons in the second quarter of 2025 from 879.6 tons. Here you can see the top 10 country holding gold rank from 1 to 10. You can take a screenshot after pause the video. The share of gold in India's total foreign exchange reserves has risen to around 12.5% as of end August 2025, from about 9% a year earlier. Why is the RBI collecting gold? Gold serves as a hedge. In times of global uncertainty, inflation, currency volatility, gold is often a preferred asset. Collecting and holding gold domestically helps the RBI maintain liquidity and boost confidence in the country's economic stability.